The FlatCUT 2000 by 3000 millimeter dual oscillating blade cutter from AM.CO.ZA is a versatile cutter that can handle a wide range of materials with its robust 3 kilowatt high-speed spindle for CNC operations. And its oscillating blade function for the cutting of materials such as fabric and cardboard, and a creasing wheel for the creation of fold lines. The integrated 7.5 kilowatt vacuum pump securely holds materials on the vacuum table, ensuring stability during operation on a 2000 by 3000 millimeter table. Equipped with a camera system for accurate registration and powerful servo motors for precise movements, operating on 380-volt power, this FlatCUT delivers professional-grade performance for diverse applications. Boost your productivity and achieve unparalleled cutting accuracy with the FlatCUT 2000 by 3000 millimeter dual oscillating blade cutter from AM.CO.ZA.
At AM.CO.ZA, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process. Just for you.